When it comes to installing a new electrical outlet, you have more options than ever before, but be aware that some methods are definitely better than others. Also, stick around because some of these methods are controversial and I will highlight the pros and cons of each. Let's first review the old reliable method that everybody should know. Take your wire and strip it. Great. Bend it into a hook. Wrap it around the outlet screw and tighten it firmly. Black to gold, white to silver, and one additional screw for the ground wire. I have often seen DIYers mess this installation up by wrapping the wire around the terminal screw backwards. Remember this, if you wrap the wire around the screw counterclockwise, that will cause the wire to start unwrapping itself as you're tightening the screw and cause a loose connection. Always wrap the wire around the screw in a clockwise manner. That method is very standard, but wait, what if you don't need to do any of that? There are these super easy lever lock outlets that use these little levers in the back and are used to lift up pressure plates that you simply slide in your wire, then you push down on the lever, and this will clamp the wiring in place. So easy. This is a no intimidation factor outlet. I tell you, anyone could use these quick connector, super easy outlets. Super easy to make any changes whatsoever. You may be thinking, Larry, that's so simple. Is this really a proper connection? Would an electrician really sign off on that? And the answer is yes, but there is an in-between the lever lock and the traditional hook method. Look at this outlet that comes with pressure plates on the side. These side connections, you simply slide your wire into the opening, tighten the screw that causes the plate to lock down onto the wire. Both lever and pressure plate outlets are easy to use and safe to install, although pressure plate outlets give you 4 connections on each side. That's right, 4 wires on each side, no more annoying picky tails to connect. There is one method that I would not recommend, and it is considered unsafe by many electricians. If you take your wire right into the back of an ordinary outlet, no fancy lever lock, there's something called backstab. That was easy. What's the problem with backstabs? Do you want to make it harder on yourself? Well, if you were to look inside the outlet, there is only a thin scrap of metal holding onto that wire. This can cause the wire to overheat, causing failures in this area, even fires. I have personally seen this method fail at a high rate when the wire actually snaps off right behind the outlet, causing a failure. I don't like this method for outlet installation. Let me know what type of outlet connection method you are purchasing, and have you tried electrical work in your own house yet? Always turn off the power to a circuit before touching any electrical component. If you are stuck and need help, any advice, I am here. I answer all of my own comments every day and I'm here for you. Good day, and check out the video description for my outlet recommendations.